This is the Rex fan that I've replaced the sleeve bearings on. It has all new sleeve bearings on the fan shaft. And I'll turn it on and give a little demonstration. I think the next thing that's going to have to be repaired on it is the actual motor, because something is sounding really loud internally. I don't know if it's the thrust washers are worn or if it's the actual bearings in the motor, but I may end up having to get a new motor because I don't know if it's worth getting fixed. But I'll go ahead and turn it on and give it a demonstration real quick. You can hear that knocking sound, and it's something with the shaft of the motor.